bring whatever ride you've got and pull it right in and join the fun. You never know what's going to show up at the Wolfe City Cruise-In, North Texas. Every second Sunday, about 3 p.m., sometimes a little later. Hey, hello, how are you all, you wonderful car fans out there? I am Burke, you're watching Road Odyssey, and welcome. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is about the Wolfe City Cruise-In, one of at least 6, if not a growing number of cruise-ins that are building up out here in the North Texas area. So there's Celeste, Leonard, Van Alstyne, Greenville's going to have their cruise-in soon. Ladonia, Cooper, Commerce, Wolfe City. So there are scads of these cruise-ins every single weekend. So primarily on Sundays. Now Commerce is Saturday evening. But anyway, a lot of stuff going on the weekends, and this is really beginning to launch for this year. So be looking out, get on Facebook, start doing searches for all these different cities, and join us. Come on out and have some fun. So like I said, this video is for Wolfe City. A lot of really nice people, fun atmosphere, very country. And let me just give you yet another taste of what it's like and just some of the people that were out there. So here we go. Wolfe City Cruise-In, second Sunday, about 3 p.m. give or take in the fall and spring. Come around summer, it might be at 4 o'clock or so. This is hosted by Danny, who owns Insane by Design. Very creative, very good backwoods mechanic and car restoration mastermind. So this cruise-in is located, obviously, Northeast Texas. So looking a little bit closer, it's surrounded by Leonard, Celeste, Commerce, Cooper, Ladonia, Paris, and Bonham, all kinds of little cities up here in the Northeast area. As I said before, one of many cruise-ins. There are several in this area. Leonard, 4th Sunday, Celeste, 4th Sunday, Commerce, 3rd Saturday, Cooper, 1st Sunday, although they have not started back up yet, I don't believe. Ladonia, 3rd Sunday, and there might still be one in Paris on the first Friday. Don't know that for sure yet. You'd have to look up Paris Harley Davidson to confirm. Danny is one of several who lead all these cruise-ins. So here are some of the others: Connie, Don, Dennis, Courtney, Mike, and then I get in on it some myself. Here's a quick picture of Danny on the right-hand side, Dennis on the left, and Connie in the middle. 3 of your cruise-in leaders. So Danny's Wolfe City, Connie is Celeste, and Dennis is Leonard. Another group picture from last year that included Courtney for Cooper, and Mike of Ladonia, and Don, who was controlling Commerce. Although in Commerce, the leadership may alter soon, as Dawn and her husband may be moving out of town. So pull on up with your favorite ride. Sit back, park it for a second, and take a look around as to what this is like. may not expect this. I didn't. Hank Pickering showed up at the cruise-in, and I want to do a very nice shout out for this gentleman. He has a nice shop. He has his own Facebook page and a YouTube page where he outlines and details a lot of the work that he does and conveys that to you on his personal YouTube channel. I've kind of chopped up one of his videos and just sort of given you an idea of some of the work that he does and how he presents this information to you. I think he does a fantastic job. Just please pay attention. So he was out there at the cruise-in giving everybody a good idea of the work that he does. And I really think that this was a fantastic idea. Anybody out there doing car work and wants to show it off, like lighting systems or headlight restorations, things like that, show up to these cruise-ins and show off your work. So who else showed up at this cruise-in? Well, you had bikers, several bikers, very nice bikers, and then you had a triker. And let's watch a few of the cars pulling in. Some that needed restoration, some that were already in fantastic shape after being reworked, very lovely to see, and a few that just passed through for the fun of it. Yay! Done with another video. Wolfe City Cruisin'. One of at least 6, a growing number of many cruise-ins. North Texas is getting to where it is blossoming. So, you know what? You live in McKinney, North Dallas, Plano, Allen, maybe Garland, whatever. Bring those cars out. I would love to see some supercars. There are some places out here you can go with a supercar. But you might want to first come out in whatever ride you have, do a little, scouting, see what's out here and see what you might want to join in on. So God knows we have to go into Dallas. We have to drive an hour or more sometimes just to go to a lot of the Dallas shows. Man, come on out here to the country. It's really relaxing. So anyway, with that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.